Say hi. You hear your sisters and brothers in there. We're a little grumpy. Beautiful. I don't even know what this is. Looks like a girl. Say hi. No kisses. Next little baby is a little more angry than the last one. We're gonna be okay. Huh, we're good. All right, all black one number 2. A little more spicy. A little more spicy. A cute little blip. The last one was a girl. Look at your ears. Ears are clear. Good twofers. Yeah, you're a little spice nugget. All black. What are you, huh? Should we see? You gonna let me see? Extra spice. Super cute little, I don't know what he is. He's like a backwards tabby. Pretty unhappy with life right now. It's okay. It's a little boy. Super Spice. Another all black one. It's a boy. I know. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Okay. Grump. Last little nugget is the spiciest. Like a smoked tabby. Super beautiful. Real spicy. Hi. Hi. It's okay. Kind of a screamer. Hi.